Yo, what's up, guys? I'm Ralphispsycho. Welcome back to another episode, and we are watching 4th of July Firework Fails. Let's get into it. Oh,
Firework gone wrong.
oh,
Whoa!
dang, that dude got messed
Is
up.
that it?
No, I'm supposed to do more.
That's it?
Really?
It's supposed to.
Oh!
Bro, dude burned down his home.
Each time I watch it, I laugh harder.
Is that Optimus? Oh. Those used to be scary.
My brother came over to watch the fireworks in DT LA.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh. Imagine waking up to that. Well, you're already awake, but just imagine hearing that like in your face.
Dude, that went in the building.
Glass falling? Yeah.
Thankfully, the unit was empty.
Oh, it's empty.
Rip to this car.
What happened to the car? Oh, get down.
We got.
I have those same sandals. Oh. Oh. This is a bomb strike. Okay. Oh. Run. Oh, what is that, an animal? Dang, the kid came out the smoke. What the heck? The kid did it. Oh, in his
Thanksgiving
face.
fireworks gone
Oh, that's
wrong.
cool. It's in the tree, though.
I just spent $500 on one firework.
One?
My girlfriend is gonna kill me. But look at this thing. Everything you need to design your own show and fire it from your phone? What?
Corey, what is
Okay.
this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's connected electronically.
Uh-oh.
She said don't.
What happened?
I don't know. I am swiping.
No, you got calm down, take a breath, do it slowly.
Almost got
He
hit
got
with an
scammed, bro. He got scammed. Dang, he spent $500 for nothing to happen. That's tough.
illegal firework.
Alright, we out.
Oh, yeah. That happens all the time. YouTubers home. Oh, this Kai that place. They did that on purpose.
No flash now, no flash.
Oh. Is that his room? Dang. I don't know his room.
What the heck? Oh! What?
Dang.
That's crazy.
That's not a firework. That's a whole forest fire.